guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be reviewing slimes. So, let's get into it. The first slime I'm going to be reviewing is this one. It is the mint chocolate chip, and it has ice cream scent. Smells like mint chip. Smells like the scent is a 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5. Click. Let's test our clicks. I think the click is a 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5. Next is stretch. I think I'll give the stretch a 5 out of 5 also, because it's really stretchy and it was a really good slime. Then the bubble. Let's try a bubble. I'm a very strict rater, and I just rated this entire thing 5 out of 5. This has really good bubble potential, but that was like a really bad bubble on my part, so let's try again. Oh, also it has like these black beads to resemble chocolate chips in mint. It has a big bubble. 5 out of 5 on the bubbles, too. Then stickiness, it's not sticky, so it gets a 5 out of 5 on not being sticky. This slime got 5 all the way around. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Next slime is going to be this clear slime. And it's this slime, and it's the blueberry pie filling, and it says fun scent, which is different than the last one. Oh, it smells like soap. It literally smells like detergent. Oh, that does not smell good. I do not like that scent. It kind of smells like a little bit like blueberry now that I think about it, but like, no. So here it is. It's clear, and it has these pom-poms in it. And so scent, I give it a 2 out of 5. I do not like the scent at all. Then clickiness, let's try it. 4 out of 5 on clickiness, because it's pretty clicky. Then stretchiness, well, we're stretching it right now, and it's not totally stretchy, but I just did it really fast there. But like, it's pretty stretchy for being a clear slime, so I'm going to give it a 3 out of 5 for stretch. Next is bubble. So let's try my bubbles. Let's try and make a bubble. Get momentum and poof! Oh, dang it. Oh my gosh, that's such a big bubble. Okay, I think that bubble gets a 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5 on my bubbliness. And then sticky, not sticky at all. 5 out of 5 on the non-stickiness. Nickelodeon so far is doing really good on not being sticky and being pretty good quality slime. And being like pretty stretchy. So, let's get on to the last one. So this last one is pink and has rainbow beads. And it's really pretty, and I think this might be my favorite, but I don't know between these two. Let's just grade it and see. Okay, so first of all, I just want to say, this one gets an A+. This one gets an A-. We'll see if this one's just the in-between A. We'll see. Oh my gosh, is that going in my hair? Okay. So, now let's go. So, first is scent. That smells so good. Oh my gosh. Literally, it doesn't smell better than this one, but it still smells really good. So, I'm going to be playing with both of them. But, click. I think it's a 3 out of 5. It wasn't that clicky, but it was still pretty clicky. Next. is stretch. It's really stretchy. So I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5 on stretchiness. So it's like about the same stretchiness as this one. Then bubble. Let's see if I can do a good bubble with this one. Oh my gosh, the bubble. I'm going to give that bubble a 3 out of 5, even though I didn't know I made a bigger one than I made with this one. I feel like this one's just a little bit more stretchy, and it would make a better bubble if I was better at making bubbles. Next is stickiness. It's not sticky at all, so it gets a 5 out of 5 on not being sticky. And that was my reviews, and I think these two were my favorite. This one gets an A, this one gets an A+. And this one was definitely my most favorite, but this one was definitely my second favorite. And then this one was pretty good, just not my favorite. So I think the only thing, okay, so I didn't talk about this at the beginning, but it was really hard to get these out of the containers. Like you can see that there's still residue left in there because they're really hard to get out. So I think if I were to tell Nickelodeon something they had to work on, I would say making it easier to get the slime out of the container, because as you can see, it's pretty hard. So yeah, and then also the blueberry scent. I'm sorry, Nickelodeon uses like different scent, but that's okay. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely know I had a lot of fun, and it was very fun to be able to just film me playing with slime. Like literally I just got to play with slime the entire time, and I'm still doing it. And I hope you guys enjoyed. I want to wish you all a happy Easter, and make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss one of these videos. Bye guys!